That's the left ventricle, the right ventricle, the right atrium, the left atrium, intervestibular septum, the bicuspid on the left side, tricuspid on the right side, the papillary muscle.
Where's the coordinate tendon there?
Oh, they're these.
Those, okay, cool.
They're on both sides.
Okay.
Right, okay, got it.
I have a question. Oh, go ahead because you're recording.
Well, the aortic is coming through the left side of the heart, and the pulmonary is coming through the right side of the heart.
Pulmonary is right, got it.
And then it comes out through that.
Okay. Okay.